Here we are once again with another new GquuuuuuX kit. Welcome to Modelverse Studio. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we'll be unboxing Sugai's Gelgoog. I see this kit and I think gym. Back in February when the new GquuuuuuX kits were revealed, this one was kept a secret until very recently that they revealed who it was. Either way, this is Sugai's Gelgoog, and if you've seen the latest GquuuuuuX episode, then you would know who that is, with some other information about this Gundam, but I won't spoil anything until the full review. I do like the cover illustration. Looks like a simple kit, and it is very appealing with the grappling hook, the beam saber, and with its 3 lenses. Here in the background we can see the Volcata's Gelgoog, which is very similar and won't be released till next month. Let's have a look at the side, and you'll see some nice action poses. Shows off that grappling hook, the opening state in the bag, and the gimmicks it comes with. 2 energy beams, sets of hands, and the grappling guns. On the other side, we get this nice front and back shot. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. And we get 1, 2, 3 bags of runners. This one has 2. There's 2 here. 1, 2, 3. So that's 7 runners in total. Alright, let's look at the manual. So here, very cool illustration of the Sugai's Gelgoog. Alright, let's look at the back. And another cool pose with the beam saber. Alright, showing off the articulation. Oh, this is the open state. Right, this one with the grappling wire. It's got these 2 guns to here. The beams can connect, so you can get this long beam saber. So here's the specs, and of course we have our color guide. And I'm not gonna go into. We're just gonna look at this quickly. Not gonna go into much detail. I'll save that for the full build and review, which I'm gonna do real soon this time. And here we have the runners that come with this set. There's 7 of them. And of course the marker sheet. Here is a finished illustration. And yeah, just like the GquuuuuuX and the other kits, this is what you get. Let me give you a better look at the runners this time out of the bag. Runner A comes in all 4 colors. Pretty good detail. Runner B in 3 colors. Runner C1, smaller and all in white. Here's the head itself. Runner C2, another small all-white runner. Runner D1 is all black, and here we can see the weapons and hands. Runner D2 is the other half of those weapons, and another hand is here. Runner E in this turquoise color, with only 2 small pieces. Here's the eyes. And last runner, the energy beams. You only get 2 of them, but you'll be able to combine them as we saw in the box. Here's our decals, and not that many. Not many. There's actually only 1. And almost missed the wire itself. And that's all we have for this kit. I'm looking forward to building this kit and seeing what kind of poses I can get out of it and how the next video will be. So I'll be starting this kit right away and hopefully have something for you guys real soon. Until then, I hope you enjoy this quick unboxing. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. As a bonus, I saw this booklet at one of the stores I go to. And yeah, special booklet. So I thought we could go through it pretty quickly. All right, so it's pretty much advertising the Osaka Expo, again, that's going on right now. Talks a little bit about the statue. Right, so here we have the Expo Gundam. And then the next feature pavilion. This is the one that I reviewed on the last video. I haven't gotten to this one yet, but I will. I'll get to it. We'll talk about the pavilion. Next page, the robots line. And this one is expensive. It's basically an action figure. And I went and bought it, but I haven't even opened it yet. I'm kind of having buyer's remorse at this point. I don't know. I've never had one of these. These are expensive. So next page talks more about, more about the kit itself. There's this is actually for the crane. So they're gonna have this at crane machines, and you can win one of them. Gachapon. So at the Gachapon, these will be available. Clothing articles, bags, keychains, posters, acrylic stands. More article clothing, like hoodies, shirts, acrylic stands right here, plushies. All right, promoting the movie. And here you have, the GquuuuuuX kits. Of course, we've seen this one already. The GquuuuuuX itself was released back in January. I would want to get me another one of these. This one I do regret only getting one. It is really cool. Here we have the Red Gundam. The Red Gundam comes out at the end of this month. So another one that's, I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to. And not sure when the original color RX will be released. Here we have the Military Police Saku, the one we just saw. Gun Cunning comes out in July. I'm looking forward to this one. This one kind of resembles Sugai's Gelgoog a little bit, body-wise. And here are the figures, the figure models that are coming soon as well. So we got Machu, and she'll be available in June. And this is what she comes with. A couple of different types of hands. Comes with the Haru with the head, her backpack. And then Nyan comes a month after. And this is what she comes with, Again, her backpack, faces, hands, this little robot. Metal Robots is going to be releasing the GquuuuuuX and the Red Gundam as well. And they are not cheap. And this is for the Arsenal Base arcade game. The cards. And the other one, more crane game items. And then right here we have the Ichiban Kuji, which is like a raffle. And these are the prices for that. These are two types. More gachapon stuff. Same thing over here. Gunpla 45th anniversary. And then this one. This is a Perfect Grade Unleashed RX-93V Gundam, the one that I'm definitely looking forward to. No announcements have been made, but it's scheduled for this year, so I'm guessing it's going to be towards the end of the year. But this is going to be a really good one. And here we have the third single. So this one was released already a while ago. Okay. Couple stuff here. A builder's note. So yeah, pretty nice. A little extra bonus for you guys.